Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Firecrackers. In this one I'm going to show you how you can actually install the Firecrackers Live Wallpaper in any Android device right now. So before starting the video, I just want to inform you all that happy Diwali friends finally, and let's see how we can actually install this Firecrackers in any Android device, so which looks fantastic, and there are a lot of advantages of this particular wallpaper. So first thing is that you can actually get the volume as well in the live wallpaper, which is included, as you can see right now, which is included in the live wallpaper. So not only that, you can actually change the background of the complete live wallpaper as well, and even you can change the speed and number of crackers you want as well, everything. So I'll try to explain in this entire video what is the application and everything, and make sure to follow the playlist of the live wallpapers. So there's a separate playlist which are created only for the live wallpapers viewers, so make sure to follow that playlist for more information. Only in that way you'll be able to find out all of the previous live wallpapers what I used. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. And the application name is which is called the Firecrackers Fireworks Live Wallpapers. As you can see exactly, this is the icon exact, and you can see the developers as well, which is Kaisoft live wallpapers developers. And let me try to open this Firecrackers Fireworks Live Wallpaper. So as soon as you open, you'll get this kind of menu here, and you can click on the plus button. So once you click, so before clicking on the set wallpaper, always try to check is there any kind of settings available or not in any live wallpapers. So the main reason is because if you try to click on the settings, you can actually explore a lot of other various features here. So for example, you can actually enable the sound. If you want, you can enable the sound, and which I do like when I enable the sound. And next is fireworks. If you try to click on the fireworks, you can actually click fireworks speed and fireworks number of the fireworks you wanted. So right now I did select to the highest value as possible, but you can actually decrease the speed as well in case if you want to have that kind of slow motion kind of effect, maybe you can use that option. So after you select this option, there's another feature which is called the background option. So once you click on the background, you can actually select different backgrounds, what kind of scenery you want in the background. That's another really very good interesting thing, because so instead of having the one common background every time, you can have different backgrounds which are actually available here. I think close to 10 to 15 might be available at this moment. Regarding the background, you can actually set right now. As you can see, this is how it looks in the slow motion. So I did not increase any kind of speed, so right now working in the slow motion, which looks fantastic in this kind of black background in case. So looking at the sky and maybe the stars, so this looks fantastic. And if you want, you can actually double tap on the live wallpaper, and which will take you to the direct settings. That's also another very good advanced feature which I did like, because every time no need to go to the application and select the options. You can actually double tap and you can actually select that. That's very good feature which I did like. Once after you select the feature, try to go back and try to go to the home screen, automatically it will be applied. Now the speed has been increased significantly, as you can clearly see friends. So in this way, you'll be able to have this kind of fireworks live wallpaper in any Android device right now which is available. And in case if you're interested in this kind of live wallpapers, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do plenty of live wallpapers videos, and after a long time I'm making a video on the live wallpaper basically. And let's celebrate this Diwali friends with the safety. Right now, as you can see, the volume is also really good, fantastic volume, as you can see. But the volume doesn't apply if you try to go to any other applications. If you try to open, the volume doesn't come, so don't worry about that. Wow, I did like this kind of sound effects and everything. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this friends. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So once again, I wish you all happy Diwali friends, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for reaching me 1 lakh milestone before this Diwali. So this is the biggest gift I can definitely say for this Diwali. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.